Hi everyone. So last week I missed Tip Tuesday. I was not feeling well, so I thought it's Tuesday, I think. Is it Tuesday? It's got to be Tuesday. And it's also Pancake Tuesday. So I thought, what better time than to share a tip about pancakes? So this one actually comes from my manager. So shout out to Marty DeKemp, who gave me this great tip this week. So what she does is she makes all of her pancakes in advance and freezes them, and then in the morning warms them up in the toaster. I thought this was a great piece of advice for maybe people who live on their own and want to kind of make a bulk amount of pancakes on the weekend, and then you can toast them throughout the week. Really good time-saving tip. Or for empty nesters who want to make a bunch of pancakes and you've got some breakfasts for the week, great tip. And comment below. We have a bunch of great pancake tools that you can use. So what is your favorite? Comment below and tell me what your favorite Pampered Chef pancake tool is. Happy Pancake Tuesday. And that is my second Tip Tuesday tip. The end.